A few years ago, I remember standing in my office here and I was exhausted because I had spent 3 full evenings trying to stitch together drone footage for a property I was listing. I had hired this great drone pilot off of droners.io and the footage was solid, but when I opened the Google Drive folder, there were like 40 different video clips and about 100 unedited photos. There were no overlays, there was no editing done, there was no clear direction, so I did what a lot of us have to do. I rolled up my sleeves and I got to work and I started fumbling through frame by frame, trying to figure out which angles would show off the property in its best light. And I knew drone footage would help sell this property faster, and it definitely did. But I also remember thinking, man, there's gotta be a better way, right? And that brings me to the subject of this video, because now there is. Droners.io has officially launched a new done-for-you service. So here's how it works. Step 1, you place the order. Step 2, Droners handles everything. And that's pretty much it. The logistics, the communication, the shoot, the editing, the final package, all of it is handled by Droners. There's a reason why they call it done for you. So this isn't the regular Droners job board where you post a project and you wait for the bids and manage the back and forth. That Droners job board is still available, and it's great if you want total control and customization, but the done for you service is for someone who wants to be hands-off and still get a professionally edited, ready-to-use marketing package. So what exactly do you get with this service? Well, there are a few different packages, and it probably depends on specifically why you're hiring out this service in the first place. But if you're a land investor like me, the most popular one is the Pro Land package. That includes 30 aerial photos, 20 ground photos, 2 parcel overlays, and a custom social media marketing video. Image enhancement and professional editing, and even a blue sky guarantee. So you're not going to have to deal with raw files. There's no guesswork here. There's no wondering if the results are going to come back great. Just polished, listing-ready content. And for most of us, this is really what we're after in the first place. And if you're working with higher-end listings, there's also a premium land package that adds a 1 to 1.5 minute HD flyover video with cinematic edits and multiple angles, which is pretty cool. They've even started doing full subdivide packages with custom pricing that include everything from ground and aerial shots to parcel overlays and full marketing videos. So who is this for? Well, it's really for land investors who are busy. I mean, let's be real, right? You've got properties to flip, you've got deals to close, maybe even a day job to juggle. You don't want to micromanage a drone pilot. We just want great visuals that make your property listings look amazing and get the thing sold, right? That's what this is all about. So if that sounds useful to you, and you know who you are, go to REtipster.com/droners, or you can click the link beneath this video. That is an affiliate link. And if you land on the homepage, just go up to the navigation bar and click on Done For You. Then click Choose a Package, and on the next page, you can scroll over to the Land section and find the different packages available for land investors. Again, I'll include an affiliate link below that'll take you right there. And if you want me to do a deeper dive or show you what a full pro or premium package looks like for one of my listings, drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.